This week on DevCentral Connects. Always got the cops coming after me. Custom build hack number 103, my heart. My heart, kickstart my heart. Maybe you're already a bad actor, developer, technician, or maybe you're an accountant. Doesn't matter, there's a place in security for you. Join Jason and John Thursday, October 21st, 12:30 Pacific, as they welcome Adam Compton, a principal security consultant with TrustedSec, for a conversation on what it takes to kickstart your heart and get your foot in the cybersecurity door. The link in the description sets your reminder. DevCentral Connects is live every Thursday, 12:30 Pacific. Ooh, are you ready to go? Ooh, are you ready now? Whoa! Yeah! Kickstart your heart, give it a shot.